Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video tutorial series and got some ways of understood a few ways of approaching the GRE questions. We would love if you can come to our center, and we have in Bombay at Santa Cruz, Borivali and Thane, and at Pune at Hinjawadi and Kothur. So do walk in, and you can write a scholarship test, get a analysis done so that you come to know where you are standing, and then we can tell you about our program and how you can go ahead. Basically, our program is 12 classes of quant and 12 classes of verbal stretched over 3 months if you do a weekend batch or a weekday batch, and if you do a fast track, it will get done in about a month and a half to 2 months because you'll be doing both the weekday and weekend. So I'd highly recommend you to come and take a look so that you come to know the level of the test, and also you can attend a full class, a demo class. You've already seen the demo, these 10 questions demo, and then if you choose to go ahead, you can start the journey. I highly recommend, because what happens is you get a structure. It's very systematic. After every 2 classes we have a doubt solving session, then next 2 classes, then a doubt solving session, and you move ahead. After the 12 classes are done, you get full length tests and you start doing the full length test. It is most important is to start doing tests and analyze your mistakes. Apply all the concepts that you learn in the 12 classes and apply it into the test, and see if you are making some mistakes and iron out the mistakes, and that is how you move forward to your highest possible score. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial series, and do walk into any of our centers and you can meet us and we can get started with your journey.